of her lawyers. Ganun din naman Grijaldo eh. Kung gusto niya kumuha ng abogado, it's up to him. Kapagkat he is also accountable. Binanggit po sa amin ni Colonel Garma, marami siyang alam. And he is also fully accountable kapagkat nung pinatay si General Barayuga, wala natanggap na report mula sa kanya. Wala siyang ginawa bilang Chief of Police at that time in Daluyo.
And then, do you think nabawasan po yung credibility ng Senate hearing dahil hindi nag-inhibit si Senator Go and Senator Bato?
You just have to think about this, parang ako, posado ako, and I am part of the jury. I'm interrogating yung mga resource persons, and pag gano'n ang sitwasyon, what will come out to the investigation? It's not proper to